Hella! This detox drink, known as water with lemon, parsley and mint, is popular for its ability to cleanse and refresh the body. We slice the cucumbers into pieces. We cut one lemon into slices. We pluck the leaves of the mint. We add parsley. We put the cucumbers in our glass and then add the lemons that we cut into slices. We add parsley and mint and add 1 liter of water to it. You can consume this mixture immediately, and you can consume it the next day. Enjoy your meal!